In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-out photo effect in Canva. Start by opening your design in Canva so you're working on the exact layout where you want the effect to appear. Once your canvas is open, click the image you want to pop out. This tells Canva which element you'll be editing and gives you access to the tools you'll need in the top toolbar. To control what sits in front and what sits behind, head to the Position button on the top toolbar. Choose forward or backward to layer your images. Think of this like stacking paper on a desk. Forward brings an image closer to you, backward tucks it underneath. If you have multiple elements, small adjustments here can make a big difference in creating that dimensional look. If your subject has a busy background, go to Effects and select Background Remover. This feature is part of Canva Pro and quickly isolates your subject. Give it a moment to process. Then check the edges to make sure the cutout looks clean and natural. Removing the background helps the subject feel like it's truly popping off the page rather than blending into a flat backdrop. While you're in Effects, add a shadow to enhance realism. Choose Shadow, then adjust blur, transparency, and direction. A softer blur and moderate transparency often work best, simulating the kind of shadow you'd see in real life. Shift the direction so the shadow falls in a way that matches your design's light source and keep it subtle. Too harsh, and it can look artificial. To increase depth, duplicate or layer multiple images. For example, duplicate your subject and place one copy slightly behind and blurred with a shadow, while the top copy stays crisp and clean. This creates a layered edge that makes the subject feel lifted. The position controls will help you fine-tune which copy sits on top. Next, adjust size and rotation to sell the pop-out effect. Slightly enlarging the foreground subject and nudging the angle gives it that coming out of the frame feel. Avoid extreme scaling that distorts proportions. Small tweaks usually look more convincing and professional. When everything looks aligned, preview your design to check the layering. Zoom out, take a quick look at the edges, shadows, and spacing, and make any final position tweaks if something feels off. A careful preview helps you spot overlaps or gaps you might miss while zoomed in. That's it. Clean layers, a well-cut subject, a realistic shadow, a few duplicates for depth, and careful sizing and rotation. Your pop-out effect is ready to impress.